Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's how you become an official low rider. Anyway, you guys, today I'm going to be removing a lace front wig that I made for my client about 2 weeks ago. And she ordered another one, so I'm going to be putting the other one on that I made for. And I know you guys probably seen the video where I was making a black straight wig and she wanted blue highlights, blue peekaboo highlights. So if you haven't, you'll see pictures of it in a minute, okay? So anyway, I'm going to be installing that one. So I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to put little notes up at the top of the screen so you can see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Right now, you guys see me putting some bold hold adhesive on her skin, not her hair, on her skin, so that I can melt the hair down. I think I put like about 3 or 4 layers on there, I think. But anyway, that's what I'm doing.
So then, why?
And right here, I'm just using the blow dryer so that the adhesive will dry a little bit quicker. And I'm using it on a cool setting. I ran out of the other glue, so I had to come with the Kiss. And Kiss is pretty good. It's really, really good, actually. I used to be afraid to ask not really afraid. I feel like if I'm installing the wig, I shouldn't have to ask my client to hold the edges down where by the ears. But hey, I'm out of that now because if it helps, I'm going to have them hold it down so that their lace can be as melted as possible. And what you see me doing right now is I'm spraying some Eben adhesive spray on her edges, on the lace. That's going to lay that down. And then I'm going to put the elastic band on there to melt it. And I'm going to be flat ironing it while that's being melted.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
Now this is that Cara wax stick. And what I use that for is I put it on the edges and where her part is. Take that hot pressing comb to make that part super, super sleek and her edges super sleek. Love this wax stick.
So then, why?
Y'all look at those highlights though. Trust me, they're not purple, they're blue. And you can see where parts of the lighting is hitting it in a different way. But they're blue, they're so pretty.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves. So then, why?
Cutting that lace off. about to section some hair out for her little baby hair. She doesn't want much. So I'm just going to section that hair out, plug it a little bit, and then lay it down again. Right here, I'm putting concealer on her part to make her part. The part is fine, and the knots were bleached pretty well. However, she's fair skinned, so I like to put more concealer on her part to make it look more natural. And when I do her wigs, I have to, so I sew down the back because she likes it super, super secure. So I take the needle and thread and I sew down the back part of the wig to her braid.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Now I'm just curling her baby hairs, flipping them out, and then I'm going to lay them down. And that will be it, you guys. You guys, I'm gonna work on that camera placement and chair placement so you guys can see what I'm doing both sides of the hair.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
I don't care what nobody say. It's them blue highlights for me, baby. Yeah. That's Hair by Lola. That's LC Hair Company. That's Lola Chantelle. What? What? My low riders, I love y'all so much. Thanks for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, thanks even more. And again, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And you know what? God bless. But look at those blue highlights, y'all. I'm just loving it. Yes.